The story of Mercedes Benz has always been one of ambition. A brand that invented the automobile now seeks to reinvent what it means to travel, not just drive. The 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome is less a vehicle and more a declaration, carrying with it over a century of engineering heritage and a reputation for combining luxury with purpose. Where earlier generations of motorhomes felt like modified vans, this machine feels born from the ground up to serve one vision: movement as an experience, not a compromise. It draws inspiration from the Sprinter, long a symbol of Mercedes' versatility, yet everything here has been elevated. Beneath the sculpted bodywork lies a hybridized diesel-electric powertrain, delivering torque-rich confidence and surprising efficiency for a machine of its scale. The integration of aerodynamic channels, once a footnote in the motorhome world, becomes a centerpiece. Smooth rooflines, tapered edges, and active airflow elements reduce drag while enhancing stability at highway speeds. Even the underbody has been refined to minimize turbulence. It's a reminder that Mercedes treats no detail as too small when reimagining an entire category. Performance in this context isn't about lap times. It's about the calm authority with which the motorhome eats up miles, the way it shrinks continents through mechanical confidence. Four-wheel steering makes maneuvering in tight coastal towns feel almost graceful, while adaptive air suspension smooths broken tarmac into near silence. This isn't evolution by inches, but a wholesale shift in what travelers can expect. The 2026 Motorhome is at once a continuation of the brand's long tradition of precision and a step into uncharted ground. The luxury of motion meeting the freedom of home. Step outside and the presence of the 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome is undeniable. Its silhouette is unmistakably contemporary, but it refuses the clumsy boxiness of traditional campers. Instead, designer sculpted proportions that carry the elegance of a grand tourer stretch to new dimensions. The nose carries a softened but purposeful grille, illuminated with the three-pointed star, while slim LED signatures sweep like brush strokes across the fascia. Along the flanks, uninterrupted body lines suggest both speed and serenity, the kind of styling that feels just as at home in a mountain pass as it does in a coastal campsite. But the real magic lies inside. Open the doors and you enter a cabin that feels less like a vehicle and more like a boutique suite. Surfaces are finished in open-pore woods, stitched leathers, and brushed metals that reflect Mercedes' obsession with tactile richness. The cockpit blends digital sophistication with clarity. Dual widescreen displays handle navigation, energy management, and entertainment, while voice and gesture controls bring a sense of effortlessness. Yet the rear is where it transcends expectation. Modular zones shift from lounge to workspace to bedroom with quiet precision. Ambient lighting, temperature management, and acoustic engineering turn long journeys into cocooned comfort. It is both sanctuary and command center. Beyond its material opulence, the motorhome speaks to cultural relevance. In an age where mobility and lifestyle converge, this vehicle positions itself as more than transport. It is a lifestyle amplifier. Mercedes is asking, what if freedom didn't mean sacrifice? What if adventure could arrive wrapped in the same care as an S-Class? The 2026 Motorhome answers that, not through spectacle, but through detail. It proves that a house on wheels can carry not just people, but identity, aspiration, and the promise of tomorrow's journeys. This story unfolds in two arcs. First, establishing the 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome within the lineage of Mercedes. Innovation, showing how it elevates performance and engineering beyond mere transport. Then, it dives into the design and interior, framing it as a cultural statement that blends freedom with luxury. The intended impact is to make viewers feel that this is not just another motorhome, but a new chapter in the Mercedes-Benz narrative. One that redefines what it means to live, travel, and belong on the road.